and Mike Patton and Steve Vai. Danny Carey, though, one of the best drummers in the game, no doubt. Rolling Stone listed him at number 26. Best 100 drummers of all time.
But that punch hurts too.
I bet it does.
He knows how to throw a punch.
Yep.
I guarantee it.
And he's pretty, and he's no skinny guy, man. Danny Carey is a tall guy.
He's like 6'5".
Yep.
Right?
He's pretty built, too. He's tall. Yeah, big dude. One of his first, I was thinking when we were at the Rock Hall inductions and Carole King was getting inducted as a solo artist, one of Danny Carey's first gigs after moving to Los Angeles in the early 90s was he was a session drummer for Carole King. She has an album called Color of Your Dreams, and Danny Carey's a drummer on that album.
That's an interesting fact.
So, Danny Carey, you know, again, they released him, everything's fine. Probably have to pay a little something. Probably had a couple of pops in him.
He is 6'5".
6'5".
That's a big dude.
And, by the way, I would imagine this has got to be at least a number 2 greatest airport altercation with Kansas City natives. It's got to be top 5. Number 1, obviously, already taken. This has got to be number 2. I'm going to go with number 2.
What's number 1?
Number 1 greatest airport altercation with Kansas City natives?
Yeah.
That's when Paul Rudd and Allie Kemper and Jason Sudeikis attempted that threesome in the Boulevard Brewing Company bathroom in Concourse B a couple of years ago. You remember that?
I must have forgot.
You don't remember that?